In facilities management business, we often come across several acronyms such as ERP, CRM, CAFM, CMMS, IWMS. What that all means to you? ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning System, an integrated software that manages core business processes such as accounting, HR, manufacturing, supply chain, and CRM within a single platform. It centralizes data across the organization, replacing fragmented spreadsheets to improve efficiency, data integrity, and decision-making. The core modules are financial management, human resources management, inventory management, work order management. CRM means Customer Relationship Management Systems. It is a software platform that centralize customer data, tracking interactions, sales and support to improve business relationships, increase sales, and boost efficiency. It enables automated workflows, data-driven insights, and personalized customer experiences. Core modules includes account management, sales, marketing, customer service requests, analytic report, marketing automation. EAM means Enterprise Asset Management System, a comprehensive software solution used to track, manage, and optimize physical assets such as machinery, vehicles, facilities, across their entire life cycle from procurement to disposal. By centralizing data, Enterprise's asset management helps organizations to reduce downtime, reduces cost, improves safeties for holistic asset lifecycle management. The core modules are asset management, work order management, inventory, procurement, contract, analytics. BMS means Building Management System. It is a computer-based building automation control systems that monitors and manages a building's mechanical and electrical equipment such as HVAC, lighting, security, and power systems to improve energy efficiency, operational performance, occupants' comfort. The core modules includes hardware modules, software modules, functional and communication modules. CMMS means Computerized Maintenance Management System, a software that centralizes maintenance data to streamline operations, tracking work orders, asset history, inventory, and preventive maintenance. The core modules includes work order management, resource and labor management, scheduling, asset registry, condition monitoring, predictive maintenance, reporting, and analytics. CAFM means Computer-Aided Facilities Management, a software that centralizes the management of physical buildings, assets maintenance operations to improve efficiency and reduce costs. It enables facility managers to track maintenance, manage space, occupancy, control assets, and analyze data on a single platform for improved compliance. Common functions includes asset tracking, space planning, preventive maintenance work orders, lease, occupancy management, and reporting. IWMS means Integrated Workplace Management System, a software platform that centralizes data to optimize facility management, real estate, maintenance, and workplace services. It helps organizations reduce facility costs, improve space utilization, and boost productivity. Typical modules include facilities management, preventive and reactive maintenance, lease administration, space planning, move management, capital project management, and resource scheduling. Key differences between these softwares are ERP focus on total enterprise, a central brain for finance, HR, and company-wide resources. CRM focuses on external customers, managing sales pipelines and customer support interactions. AEM focuses on asset lifecycle, financial tracking, and reliability of assets across their lifespan. BMS focus on buildings automation system for real-time control of HVACs, lighting, and power. CMMS focus on work execution, managing the people and work orders that fix things. CAFM focus on physical space, optimizing floor plans, occupancy, and administrative tasks. IWMS focus on whole portfolio, strategic management of real estate, leases, and sustainability. Hope now you got a clarity on all these softwares, the applicability in most used cases. Follow FM Excellence Lab for more videos. Thank you.